Breaking news. A man got arrested from New Delhi during the early hours of 19th of May. Hello everyone. Greetings and salutations to my respected jury members and my lovely audience. My name is Aditi and today I am going to perform an advertisement in front of you. Perhaps this ad, unlike the ones on YouTube, does not have a skip button. So stay tuned. Reporter, look at this innocent face and the criminal that lives inside it. Are they talking about me? Yes, about you. What crime did you commit? I did not do anything. My lord, please save me. I am an innocent soul. Okay, tell us the whole story. I just applied this perfume. Applied a perfume? Since when has applying perfume become a crime? I have no clue. Okay, go on. Tell us more. So, the story started on the 19th of May. I was on my way home and a girl started following me. Really, brother? You got followed by a girl? Yes. Then she called someone on the phone. I got so petrified. I thought she's after my expensive watch. What happened next? The next moment, I got followed by a bunch of girls. Okay, that is so hilarious and amazing at the same point. Tell us more. They kept on following me till the moment I got arrested. And now they are standing and protesting outside the police station, waiting for me to be released. What perfume it is? Well, this is the Pheromones perfume by Acrylic Elixir. What is pheromones? I have never heard of it. Okay, basically it's a perfume that helps you attract the other gender. Okay, such things do exist. Yes, it is crafted with a blend of international French oils. It starts with the top note of musk, warms into the heart of traditional oud and settles into the rich base note of sandalwood. Okay, it might be expensive. No, not at all. I bought it just for $6.99 from the official website of Acrylic Elixir. Also, it is not for the boys who love to chase, but for the men who love luxury. Just one spray and you feel like you are the attention of the room. After all, you can also rely on its staying power. Imagine a bunch of girls followed me till 12 plus hours because the fragrance stayed for so long. Can you please repeat the name of the website? It is www.acrylicelixir.com. Forget about the reporting. I don't want to be a reporter. I also want the Pheromones perfume because I want to take revenge on Tushar, the one who made my girl obsessed with him. Well, brother, wait for a second. I just wanted to tell you that you can get an additional discount if you scan this QR code. Also, friends, let us hope that Tushar does not find out about our perfume and with 10% off before our very own reporter. You can also grab yours at flat 10% off. Thank you so much.